How are you doing, Ralfy? Ralfy Customs. Time for a Monday morning vlog. Before I get into it, a couple of shout outs. Well, 3 shout outs for 2 people, if that makes sense. First of all, our Paul Keeble, Hypnobat's Garage, if I can get it to focus, sent me some stickers, fucking wonderful. Go and check out his channel, yeah, subscribe. He's got a little channel, fucking does a bit of this and that. And Aaron at Aaron Engineering in Australia. He's also got the teacher one, his DCT. Teacher's got 2 channels because he's a greedy fucker. Go and check Aaron out. Does some great work. Yeah. Thanks for checking him out if you do. Well, we're continuing with the Triumph. I said it'd dominate, and it's ran over into this month. What we're doing is we're spinning up that aluminum oil tank and see if you can guess what it used to be. It's got its own separate, I'm videoing me making this separately, so there'll be a video of how I'm making the oil tank from that. I've just got it up in the 4-jaw, this section of it. It's a bit too big for my 3-jaw, so we put the 4-jaw on, and I've just trued it up, and we're going to turn a bit of a chamfer on this end. It's going to end up shaped like a bullet, which is going to be awesome. Wanted to cut some threads for some bits that I can't do on this lathe because the gearbox is fucked. Not fucked, it works, but it don't work where I need it to for this job. So we're going to revert to the little antique Atlas. Look, we've got the dark arts, we've got the change gears exposed because we need to cut a 2mm pitch thread, 2mm pitch thread, 80 thou. Also, we have got the rest of the bits for this coming in this Wednesday, I believe. Oh, right, that makes, I have to message him, tell him I can't do Wednesday, I've got something else on. See if we can do Thursday. But we've had this come in, this Motor Martin. Yeah, for our Stan. Loads of work to do on that to make it looking and working and doing just how he wants it. Bless him, so that's going to be an interesting project. And not your usual custom, typical chopper bobber, calf racer, low rider, Fred Flintstone back bike. It's going to be something a bit different for me, a bit of a traditional street fighter, if such a thing exists. So that'll be make for an interesting month. There's also another job in this month, so that's due at the weekend. Another job in the weekend, so that's got more work to do. That's going out, hopefully. This is making a start. That's getting ridden. That's getting the back end sorted. Can't wait to sort the back end out on that. That's on this month's agenda. And this should be getting its new front wheel and fork sent off to be shortened. Made longer tubes. Bit of a mealy mouthful for me this morning, so got a few in. We're going to be doing a bit. Follow along if you like what you see. Please subscribe, hit the likes, check out my friends in the description below, and have a great week. Lots of love, everyone.